Today, we will learn how to create such an amazing AI doll video effect using only our mobile phone for free. First, please subscribe our channel for more such amazing content. Firstly, open Play Store and go to search and look for TuneMe app. This app will be required for this work, but follow along to get it done properly. I am having this app already, so it's showing like this. Please download it and follow along. Open the app. In this app, you can find a lot of AI effects. But to get the particular effect, we have to go to the link provided in the video description. Copy and paste the link from the description into any browser. And once the link is open, click on Apply in Free App. This will automatically open the app that we downloaded earlier. The required effect is now opened in the app. Now we just have to select an image from our gallery and wait for the AI to perform its magic. While the app is doing its work, we request you to like the video and subscribe to our channel as we bring a lot of AI stuff, Android and PC trick and tips. So, consider subscribing. The final result is in front of us in no time, and look how amazing it is looking. But there is a small issue, the logo at the bottom. But no worries, I have an easy fix for that too. Download the file from icon below and wait till it says that file is saved to gallery. Let's now check if the file is being saved to the gallery or not. Open the gallery on your phone. Here you can find the file. Let's now open and check the file. Great job! You are almost done. Let's now fix that logo. For this, click the share icon below and send it on WhatsApp. And select your own number. Also remember that HD icon must be highlighted so that you could get the best results. Now click on sticker icon and select a sticker to cover it up. Once you are satisfied, click on Send and your video is ready without the logo. Hope you liked the video and subscribe the channel to join our Sagoroid family.